Assalamu alaikum. Mrs. Paisar Ansari, headmistress of the Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College, organized Felicitation Ceremony for students on 6th June to acknowledge the special achievements of students in class 10th and 12th and to celebrate their success. There were 90 students of 10th class appeared in the exam who all succeeded, in which Muazzima Tawheed, Barira Hafsa, Laiba Rahman, Huria Taskin got merit position. Atiya Khatun, one student of 12th class, secured 83.67 marks. Headmistress Mrs. Paisar Ansari honored the students who had achieved outstanding academic results and demonstrated exceptional talents in SSC and HSC examinations. Trophies, medals, and bouquets were awarded to recognize their efforts and dedications. The students' parents and teachers were also acknowledged for their constant support and guidance throughout their educational journey. Light refreshment was served to the students at the program.